Trailmater off-road recovery, specializing in portable light bars. All right, check it out. What are we working on today?
So we were trying to fix my air leak in the buggy that is really upsetting me because we're trying to use it this weekend and you have to stand there with your finger on the hole in the hose. So we're just gonna go ahead and replace it. Mike, did you see this?
What's that?
Oh, I need a nut driver. Oh, look, I know right where it is.
Yeah, you may notice there's something missing from this general region right here.
Everything from when we moved 3 months ago.
Yeah. We cleaned the shop
Or
yesterday.
was it 4?
Flat surface. More flat surfaces. All available to stack Mountain Dew cans or whatever we like. Can we just cut the outer part and use the barb that's hiding inside?
You know what? That's enough. Enough with your thinking and your logic.
All right, all right. So you mean to tell me if you put the tools
You're
away...
trying to tell me that you can put tools inside a toolbox instead of just stack them on top of it? I'm not entirely comfortable with any of this.
I think it's gonna work. So what are we gonna air up? We gotta put air into something now.
Well, we could always turn it on and see if the gauge builds pressure. Wait for it. I'm gonna take that as a super big win.
So we are reattaching some tabs that may or may not have gotten removed in the situation.
Dude, where are we going for lunch today?
I know.
What, pizza?
Let's go somewhere nice. Like McDonald's.
Lightly massage it back into place. Hi. I'll show you how you guys put tools away today. So you find a flat spot. Boom. Done. See? Then you walk away.
Buggy. Scrambler. Everybody gets a bath. Ah!
All right, Mike. Give her the slow pump, but make eye contact.
All right.
Estimated to be delivered today. It's now in Grand Junction. I ordered a part from Summit Racing. 2 parts for the brakes on the buggy. And I paid for overnight shipping, which I know in Moab overnight shipping isn't a thing, but I paid for it to see what would happen, right? I got a post yesterday, I got a text message yesterday that my shipment was delayed because it went from Nevada to Memphis, Tennessee before it can come back to Grand Junction, Colorado to then go on a truck to come to Moab. So it has flown past us.
Straight over.
Straight over us to somewhere else. It's at least 2 days. No matter what you pay, no matter what you do, it's 2 days. So, This is another in the long list of reasons why I shouldn't be allowed Facebook Marketplace. This is a rear steer Dana 60. It's already set up for rear steer. Been cut. It had the tube, or it had the C's welded on. I got to change the truss. I got to change the link mounts. Got to change the shock mounts. We got to change everything about it. But for the price that I bought it for, you couldn't do this to an axle. Like, just the C's to weld on are like 500 bucks.
Yeah.
And all that. We're gonna put this upstairs because it's not gonna happen right away. It's gonna happen eventually. But eventually we are going to put it into this. So then this will become the $15 buggy instead of the $12 buggy.
Yeah.
All right, so we're making this little thing because somebody asked us to. So here we go. .450. We got a while to go. .360. We need .310. My caliper's been dropped a lot of times. It's gonna be close
Okay,
enough.
so now here's our problem. Okay, we have bigger problems. You need to get some vice grips
Yeah.
and clamp that on.
Yep. And then
And
run
then
that
just
in.
groove it.
Oh, that's gonna work so good.
So Rory made a tool.
Don't zoom in.
Oh,
Somebody's
sorry.
gonna call OSHA.
Don't zoom in. Justin, edit that out.
In the groove, 0.23.
Stick bag.
What did you do with it?
I thought I put it over here with it, but I've been wrong before. I found it!
Mikey was dumpster diving. He lied to us. He was like, I swear I kept it with the paper.
Except I actually threw it away.
Actually just threw it away.
But it's right there.
If you knew Mike's trouble with throwing anything away, you
Right.
would understand how weird this is that he threw it away.
Right. I don't throw anything away.
As you can tell. Smell your feather, Mike.
Yeah, I found it in the camper. I think it might be an eagle feather. Dun dun dun!
Test fitted.
Mike has the bag. He's walking away with it. I hope it doesn't get lost.
Mike, so anyway, we got your little piece made. Sweet. We'll see you in a little bit. Bye-bye. What'd you get? What'd you get?
We're having some stopping issues with the buggy. We ordered bigger bore size. See, bigger bore size.
That says 1.
So this says 3/4,
Okay.
and the one inside of it says 7/8. So the 7/8 goes to the front, and the 3/4 goes to the rear. And it's just a real mushy pedal and doesn't have a lot of stopping power. So we're stepping up to the 1-inch bore size to move more for the disc brakes and everything, and make stuff start stopping. Yeah. Get my line wrench.
Universal line wrench.
So I don't know if we've ever explained fully or whatever, but on the buggy here, I have 2 master cylinders and 2 pedals. So I can stop the rear brakes or the front brakes independently.
We're gonna fill this up with some fluid, then pump it, and have it come back in, just bleed that master cylinder.
That guy right there. Building a custom specialty tool here.
That is custom and special.
Pay extra for that kind of custom.
All right?
We could install it and just use the pedal. Do the same thing.
Yeah. That was kind of my thought.
You win.
I win. can't get it.
You gave something to Mike. How did you not think it was going in the fire?
Tiny bubbles.
Put the brake line up.
Is it stopping yet? Is it stopping? Way
It's
more?
not stopping
How's
better.
the stopping power?
The pedal feels kind of mushy.
I'll take that.
Pedal doesn't go anywhere anymore.
What do you mean? Like it's not?
It's
coming back
extremely solid. Like it's like right there.
up? Perfect. That's what you want.
Yeah, that's kind of what I was going for.
Round 2, fight.
All you judging McJudgersons, don't be judging on that line ring.
You can judge all you want. I don't care.
Ooh, looks like he's winning.
Almost broke it earlier.
Okay.
Ooh.
So we'll just go like this. Drill it all the way through. Just kidding, don't do that. Okay, pump it up.
Okay.
Oh
Oh, yeah, look at that.
There it went.
He's flooring it.
Okay.
Looks clearer from here. Uh-oh. That's why they call it the used parts kind of. So this is the old cage out of the Samurai. And we know somebody else that has a Samurai. Not used to these new hooks yet.
Right.
Okay, there's those.
Friday morning, safety meeting going on.
We'd have to be safe to have a meeting, right? I'm going on vacation, and we are turning the shop over to the Mike and Sean show for a week. Stop chuckling like that, it's scaring me.
So basically, full service on all these.
Yeah.
Not no oil change though. Or do you want oil change on all of them? So yeah, basically full service on everything. With filter? What have you done with Rory?
I thought I'd throw that in there. Little curveball action.
Yeah. Good suckers. Wait, what about
Mind blown.
what about the JK? Should we do that little project?
That was the other thing I was thinking. The axle and the JK. And this is all like, this is just stuff.
Yeah.
If it gets done next week, cool. If one runs long and whatever, I don't care. But just like, here's shit that needs done.
We shall hang that where we can't see it. Right there.
I could have used that the other day. Yeah,
We need to get one of
I'll
those.
put this in my buggy.
Put it in the buggy. You find a flat spot. Boom. Done. See? Then you walk away. Just walk away.
Well, I thought it had to be closer to where you were working. Like, this is the toolbox I use.
Oh yeah, look, yours is already all filled up.
It's already
not
full
flat.
of my tools. Like, all my stuff. Here's my safety glasses. This is where I keep my helmet. Grinder. See? There's Mike. Makita stuff, so it's definitely me.
Yeah.
My gloves. Here's my hat.
And
Look at that
done.
hat. It's pretty cool.
No stickers?
I'm all jacked up on Mountain Dew, Grandma. Do you want the spoon? Kenny, you remember this tool? If you even watch this channel, you're not cool anymore.
Yeah.
Look at that, Kenny. This is
Kenny
for you.
doesn't watch us.
Kenny, if you guys know Kenny, tell him to watch our channel. Especially this part. Because he'd laugh. I got an eye on you, Kenny.
Oh, yeah, no.